Hi, my name is Lakpagisi and my student ID is 2395534. And today I'm going to talk about the Great Barrier Reef. I'll be covering its role and significance within tourism, the sustainability challenges it faces, and how it connects to destination competi- competitiveness using the Ricci and Cross model. Let's go to slide 2. Introduction of the attraction. The Great Barrier Reef is located just off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It's actually our largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 2,300 kilometers and including more than 2,900 individual reefs and about 900 islands. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981, which highlights its global significance. But it's not just our nature. The reef also have deep cultural value. Indigenous people, including the traditional owner of the region, have been caring for and managing the reef for thousands of years, which is an important part of its history. Let's go on slide 3. Its role and importance. The Great Barrier Reef plays a massive role in Australia's tourism industry. Each year, millions of tourists visit the reef, making it one of the Australia's top attraction. According to Deloitte Access Economics, reef tourism supports more than 64,000 jobs and contributes over $6.4 billion to the Australian economy each year. People travel from all over the world for activities like scuba diving, glasswater boat tours, and to see its unique marine life. The reef supports local economics, especially in cities like Cairns and Townsville, which really happily and reef-related business. Not only is a key source of income, but it's also a symbol of Australia's natural identity and is recognized worldwide. Let's close on slide 4. Sustainability focus and visitor management challenges. Despite its beauty and importance, the reef faces several major challenges. One of the biggest is coral bleaching, which is mainly caused by sea rising temperature due to climate change. This means the corals lose their color and can eventually die. I think which affects the whole ecosystem. A key study by Hawks and colleagues in Nature found that mass bleaching events have been much more common in recent decades. Uh, the next challenge is over tourism. I think too many people can damage fragile coral and disturb wildlife. Pollution, especially from agriculture runoff and plastics, is also a serious issue. I think threatening both corals and marine species. To tackle this problem, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority has introduced some important management strategies. I think this includes zoning the reef into different areas to limit human impact, running reef restoration projects, educating visitors about responsible behaviors, and setting limits on tourist member in sensitive spots. I think all of these studies are designed to protect the reef for the future generation. Let's go on slide 5. Links to border destination competitiveness, Ritchie and Cross model. Now let's look at how the Great Barrier Reef fits into the Ritchie and Cross model of destination competitiveness. First, the model emphasizes core resources and attractors. For the reef, this means its outstanding biodiversity and breathtaking scenery. There are thousands of fish, coral, and marine species found here, many of which are unique to the region. Next, supporting factors and resources include the reef's tourism infrastructure like hotels, visitor centers, and transport links, all of which make it easy for people to visit. Destination management is another important part. The GBR Marine Park Authority, along with government scientists and indigenous people, work together on policies, planning, and sustainability projects like that Reef 2050 long-term sustainability plan to ensure the reef remains competitive as a world-class destination. Uh, Finally, a key part of competitiveness is sustainability. Protecting the reef's natural resources and making sure tourism is well managed are both essential for keeping the reef attractive to visitors now and in the future. So I think the Great Barrier Reef is a perfect example of how a destination success depends on balance between showcasing its natural wonders and managing them responsibly. Let's go on slide 6. Slide 6. Here are the references I used. I've used a mix of government resources, economic reports, and scientific articles for this presentation. Thank you.